How to add promotions on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add promotions on LinkedIn. So let's say you've just gotten a promotion at work. So if you want to share this to your LinkedIn profile, what you'll have to do is first of all go to linkedin.com on any web browser of your preference. After that, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn profile. Now once you're logged in, you'll have to simply tap on the option Me, which is right over here. Now tap on the option View Profile. After that, once you scroll down, under Experience, you can see your experience or your work. So as of now, I was the manager, but let's say you have been promoted from manager to executive managing director. So if you want to change this manager and promote it, what you'll have to do is simply tap on this pencil icon right over here. After that, tap on this pencil icon once again. Now where it says manager, simply enter your new title. Now it'll say that did you get promoted. So simply tap on the option add new position. And now simply fill out all of these details right over here. And where it says start date, simply select the date when you got promoted. So since I just got promoted, it'll be April 2023. Now scroll to the bottom side of the screen and then tap on the option save. Now if you want to start a post, you can do that. But for now, I'll simply leave this process. And as you can see, the manager role has not been deleted, but as you can see, from Jan 2020 to present I was the manager, but from April 2023 to present I am the executive managing director. So that is basically how you add a promotion on LinkedIn. And if you want to remove this manager role, you can simply do that by tapping this pencil icon again and then simply tap on the option delete experience. But for now, I'll simply leave this as it is. And that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.